can go to F9. So you need to go to boot device option. So press on F9. And then you can use the up and down key to go to the flash drive here and then click on enter. And then you will see hack install Sierra zone. And then you can type -v and then you can enter to go to the installation. And if you see this, don't worry about it. It may take some time and then it will go into the installation screen. And now it is a good sign. We see the Apple logo here. Now we are on the setup screen, so we can click on continue here. And then on the top here, you can see the utility, so you can click on it and then go to terminal. And on the terminal, you need to change the date. If you don't change it, so the installation will be failed. And now you need to change the date, so you can type DATE space. And then you can give it the date. So I'm gonna go to 0924 and 0000 and then 1 and 9, and then you can press on enter. And now it is done. We can quit the terminal. And now we can go back to utility again and then click on this utility. So we need to erase the partition. And for this one, I recommend you to erase the whole hard drive. So before you go into the process, make sure you back up all of your data from your computer. And so we need to erase everything on the storage here. So you can click on erase. So and then you can choose the macOS journal. And for the scheme, you can go to get partition map and then you can give it a name. So I'm gonna go to High Sierra and then you can click on erase. And now it is done. So you can close this utility and then click on continue. Click on continue again. Click on agree. And now you can select the disk that you have just erased and then click on customize. So you have some of the driver that you need to install. So you can check as I have here. So I can check on Clover standard and on the graphic. So graphic, make sure it enable. And for the fake PC ID, you can check on Intel HD if you have. So my computer is Intel HD graphics, so I can check on it. And then I can check on the Wi-Fi here. And finally, click on accept. And then you can click on continue. And now you have to wait for the installation. It does take some time, so you can be patient and wait for it. And then if you see this error after install macOS, you don't have to worry about it. So just simply click on restart button. And now after install, you will see this again, and make sure that the USB is still connected, and otherwise you will not boot into this page. So make sure your USB is still connected to your computer. And now we don't go to this one, so we have already installed it, so we can go to the second partition that we have just installed and restart. And then now we can click on enter. And now we boot to the setup screen, as you can see. And now you can choose the country. So I'm gonna go to United States and then click continue and choose the keyboard. So I'm gonna go to US and then click on continue again. And you need to connect to the Wi-Fi and then give it a password and then click on continue. and then click on continue again. Click on continue and click on don't use, and we can set up the Apple ID later, so don't sign in. Click on continue and then skip. Click on agree again and give it a name. So I'm gonna go to iApple Pro, and password I'm gonna go to 123, the simple one, and then click on continue, and then you can choose your time zone and then click on continue and click on continue again and click on continue, and now you are setting up your Mac, and you can wait for the desktop to pop up, and now we are in the desktop of High Sierra, as you can see. And now everything is working fine. And finally, thanks for watching. I hope you like this video, and if you have any question, you can comment down below, and I will see you in the next one.